Hello kids, how are you? Okay, today in your computer class we will start our book work of the chapter Understanding Windows 10. Okay, we have done this chapter in previous two videos, part 1 and part 2. Now we will do the book work of this chapter and you have to do that work on your book only. Okay, don't make any computer notebook, work only on the computer book. Let's start the book work. Now we start the book work of chapter 4 Understanding Windows 10 and you have to do the questions in book only. There is no need to maintain computer book. Okay. Now the first question of section A is fill in the blanks. The dash is the first screen of window which appears when computer is switched on. When you open the systems or you switch on the computer system, the first screen that appear firstly, that is called desktop. Okay. Second, the dash applications provides paid and free games, apps and so on. The answer is Windows Store. Like in a Play Store in our mobile phone which are used to download various games and apps, same as in Windows 10, Windows Store is a facility that provide paid and free games, apps and songs. Third, the dash is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. Answer is taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of desktop. On taskbar there is various button like start, notification area, task view and peek button. All these buttons are on taskbar. Fourth, the right side of the taskbar contain notifications area. Okay, where each type of notification like what is the timing, what is the date, your laptop is charged or not, how much battery it is charged. See, these things, these informations are in notification area and it is in right side of taskbar. Fifth, the dash button provides the ability to open multiple desktop at the same time. This is the facility that provided in the Windows 10. Answer is task view. When we click on this view, multiple desktop can be opened at the same time. Okay, and the advanced search tool of Windows 10 is called Cortana. Okay, this is the main feature that make it different from Windows 7 and 8, that search tool. Okay, we can search any file, okay, with the help of this search tool Cortana. Next question is straight, true or false. The clock is present on the left side of the desktop, sorry, taskbar. False. The clock present in the right side, okay, in notification area. Second, the start button is found on the left side of the taskbar. True. When a program is active, its icon is highlighted in the brighter shade with a bar below it. True. Peek button is present on the left side of the taskbar. False. It's present on the right side. Yes. Fifth, to change the desktop background, right click on the blank area of the desktop. Yes, true. You have to click right button on the blank area of the desktop. An option will come personalize, that will change the background of the desktop. Next, application based question. Adarsh wants to arrange all the icons on the desktop in alphabetically order. Suggest him the way to do so. आदर्श क्या करना चाहता है, जितने भी आइकन्स हैं आपके डेस्कटॉप पे उसको अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ऑर्डर करना चाहता है. तो उसको क्या करना चाहिए, ही हैव टू क्लिक राइट क्लिक ऑन द ब्लैंक एरिया ऑफ डेस्कटॉप. आफ्टर क्लिकिंग राइट क्लिक, menu will come. In that menu, shortcut menu will come. That menu you have to click on view button. After clicking view button, sub menu will open and you have to click on the arrange the icons button. Okay. Second, Karan is working on many applications on his computer. By mistake, he has clicked somewhere on the taskbar and all the open window have minimized. Which button has Karan clicked on? करण क्या कर रहा था, बहुत सारी एप्लीकेशन उसने कंप्यूटर में ओपन की हुई थी. बाय मिस्टेक कहीं उससे क्लिक हो गया जिसकी वजह से सारी की सारी एप्लीकेशन मिनिमाइज हो गई. उसने कौन सा बटन प्रेस किया? आंसर इज पीक बटन. ओके, इट विल मिनिमाइज ऑल द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ विंडो. Section B, multi-choice question. First question, which program manage all the jobs of computer? Options are operating system, desktop or screensaver. The answer is operating system. Operating system is a system software that manage all the jobs of computer. Okay. Second, to arrange the icon on a desktop, dash click on the blank area. Which button is clicked? Left, right or double? Right button. Okay. Third, pressing window key plus D combination dash all open windows. Maximize, closes or minimize? Answer is maximize. It will maximize all the applications. Okay. To open the start menu, press the dash key. You have to press window key to open the start menu. Next B question. Name the mouse pointer which perform the following actions. First one, for pointing, selecting and dragging an item. You have to use माउस पॉइंटर, दैट इज नॉर्मल माउस पॉइंटर. ओके, यानी किसी चीज़ को पॉइंट करना, सिलेक्ट करना या ड्रैग करने के लिए कौन सा माउस पॉइंटर होता है? नॉर्मल माउस पॉइंटर होता है, एरो. फॉर रीसाइजिंग द पिक्चर, अगर आपने पिक्चर का साइज कम या ज़्यादा करना है, यू हैव टू मेक वांट टू मेक बिग और स्मॉल, देन यू विच माउस पॉइंटर इज यूज्ड? डबल हेडेड एरो. ओके. नेक्स्ट, it indicates that you have to wait because computer is busy. Obvious है, busy means busy mouse pointer used. Okay. Circle. Fourth, for moving pictures and toolbar, you want to move picture and toolbar, you have to, the mouse pointer is used, that is four-headed arrow. Okay. Next, you have to answer in one word. First question, name the term used for the process of loading operating system. That is called booting. Booting is a process. It starts when you open the system. When you start the system, operating system loading into the memory RAM. Okay, that process is called booting. System boot हो रहा है, मतलब operating system load होता है. Because without operating system, computer can't work. Okay, you need operating system for the working of computer systems. Okay. Second, name the box that display the preview of screensaver. That is preview box. If you want to see how your screensaver will look before applying it, you can check with the help of preview box. Third, name the option that display all apps and program in a computer. That is all apps. Okay. Fourth, write the shortcut key combination to activate task view. For activating a task view, you have to click on window logo key plus tab key. Okay. Next, answer the following question. You can answer in 2 or 3 lines, and you can give your own answers or by your own wording. Okay. It's not compulsory that answer given by me you have to write. You can give your own answers. Okay. After reading this chapter, define the term window. What is window? Window is an operating system that control and manage the function of a computer. Window एक operating system है जो कि पूरे कंप्यूटर के जो functions हैं उसको control और manage करता है. Okay. Next, what is desktop? The first screen that appear with labeled picture on it called desktop. When you open the system, the first screen that appear with labeled icon on it or pictures on it, that is called desktop. Okay. What is taskbar? Taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of desktop. Desktop के नीचे bottom में जो एक bar होती है horizontal bar, that bar is called taskbar. Write any 2 features of Windows 10. First, it has a search tool, that is Cortana, that make it different from all others. Okay. And second, it has Windows Store, from where you can that provide free games and paid games, apps and songs. Okay. Fifth, briefly explain the use of start button. Start button is used to start a program and search files. Second, it is used to shut down the system or computer. Okay. Next, describe the term screen saver. Screen saver क्या होता है? It is an image which appears when computer left idle for सम टाइम। जब कंप्यूटर थोड़ी देर के लिए आइडल बैठता है, आइडल होता है, कोई काम नहीं कर रहा होता, तो एक पिक्चर्स हमारे कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे मूव करती है, दैट पिक्चर इज स्क्रीन सेवर। ओके, दीज आर द बुक वर्क, these are the answer key. You can write answers from here also.